SAP login. So I got login. So password is you have to find from here. So I already know what is this screen. This is success menu, the end user screen. So later during the process, we'll see all the transaction in Fiori model also. What a transaction showed you here, we'll do in the Fiori app also. So what are things we are doing here, everything else in the Fiori app also. So this is success menu. So we got started with the enterprise structure. Can go for the SPRO. So this is the IMG screen, implementation guide screen. So these are different modules. And if you go for sales and distribution, all the settings are there. And what are additional things in the IMG screen for the S4HANA SD? So under the finance supply channel management, we have the credit management comes from the FSCM. Credit management comes from here, not from the SD module. It comes from the FSCM, the credit control. And go for last general. Here we have some more things. We are carrying that. What are things here? One is settlement management. That a rebate done through settlement now in S4HANA. Settlement concept is there. And one more thing was advanced return management. So this is also part of the S4HANA SD module. Advanced return management. One more thing was settlement from the loss general section. Settlement management. Okay, these are the changes in the S4HANA, some of the changes. Okay. So if we are start from the enterprise structure. So we make a setting, we can make a structure like this one. We can make a structure like this one. Command code link to all the other units. Yeah, okay. So others who haven't got the installation, you can check the chat box. You have to turn off the VPN and proxy. Then you try that. You have to click unsafe advanced click yeah. Please try that now with the VPN switch off and the proxy off. Try to install. So we'll go to the SPRO. We'll start the definition part. So these are things under definition, coming under definition. So already you know as a, yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can able to see,
Yes.
but when I am trying to go to SPRO, it is showing me to define the project.
So you are here in the SPRO. Are you
Yeah.
telling about the screen?
No,
Yeah.
that screen is not coming. Yeah, project and
Yeah, it's
name,
coming.
yes.
Yeah. So you got to click on the SAP reference IMG.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. My bad.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. So these are different models in the configuration of IMG screen. You get the SD here, sales and distribution here. Other modules also middle management, finance, accounting, controlling. So all these modules are here. So we want to base the transaction based on the structure. So go for definition. So these are things under the different sections under definition, module wise under definition. So as I already know, as a SD consultant, you have to only these things in the implementation time. But here, but this and that, this things should be considered the company code for the finance details. So the real time will done by the finance consultant, FI consultant. But for our practice, some of things we require mandatorily for our practice session. So we not only our SD part, we have to create some units in the other modules also. For example, company code should be created. Without that, you cannot practice SD module. So like the controlling also. So controlling module also. Without controlling area, you can't practice SD module. So whatever needed for practice session for our training, we'll create those units also in the other modules. Okay, the real time we'll do only SD sales and distribution, but here you can get other units also.
Yeah.
Okay, so start the finance accounting. We got two things, three things we are creating here. Company credit control area, company code. For our practice for the SD module, we have to create these three things: company, credit control area, and company code. Okay. So we'll start with the define company under finance accounting, define company. So already you know the things like these things that we will knowing. This is the details, display to change mode, copy option, delete option. So already know everything. So select all, and we get deselect all the things are there. So we'll make a new company for our practice session, for our training. Go for new entries, click on new entries. Given company identity. It's not a code, it's just identity of the company. So I give the name as the TRG. Training purpose, I give TRG. So it's up to 6 characters. You can mention some 6 characters. And next the company name. Like this, I'm giving TRG and I'm giving. This is the company name. So name of the company, sometimes some countries there will be the name of company too also. For the to include the description, make the description under name of company too. So not a mandatory one. So company name you can mention, and other details. So everything is not mandatory. Cities you can make as a mandatory. So I give city as Mumbai. It's Mumbai. Country will get the code from here. So already you know IN. If you don't know, you can take the IN from here. You can go for find option. IN. Okay. So I got type in India, then it will come. So IN India. Language ki EN English. Currency INR. So we made a company as TRG and Co. Our company is TRG and Co. These are details about the address, and click on save button. So if the request is not there, make a new request here. From here, make a new request, create request. So you can enter that. So we made a company. We made a company called TRG and Co. Okay. So we're able to follow this one, everybody. We're able to follow. Already know this thing. I hope everybody knows this thing. So adults follow, adults.
Yeah.
Yes. So Sekhar, is this note shared by everyone? I mean, when you are doing it, it shows locked. So we'll be able to do it one by one. I think it's the same server.
Yeah. So initially don't practice. First see what I am doing, and after I'll give the time for practice for from your side.
That would be good.
Yeah, first I'll do from my system. Don't do practice now. Don't do the practice now. See what I'm doing here. After I'll give time for you to practice.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Welcome. So what we'll do first we'll finish the definition part. Then we'll give time for practice.
Okay.
So next one is credit control. Next one is credit control area. So here go for new entries again. So give some code. So I'm giving TRG C. It's a 4-character code. Currency. And these things will later when I come for the credit management topic, I'll explain these fields here. We'll just create now. So later when I do the credit management, I'll come here and explain some of the fields here. So this is limited the credit limit and the update is there. So during the credit management topic, I'll come here and explain all these fields. Just now, for now, just save that. So we made a credit control area called TRGC. So you can give the name also. I can make some name there. So we made a credit control area called TRGC. So next one is company code. So here there are two things. One is the copy and another is the edit company code data. So I already know that. Already know that we have demo company from SAP. So we can. So when we make a new company code, it contains a lot of finance settings like general ledgers, a lot of GL accounts are there. So as a SC consultant, we don't know how to make the GL entries and all, GL accounts and all. Finance detail we don't know because we are basically SD consultant. So in this part, I already know that SAP has a demo company. So SAP gives a demo company for all this purpose only. You can copy all the basically general ledger accounts and all the chart of account details and all from the demo company. And you can copy from the demo company. You can copy all the settings from the demo company, and later you can edit the data settings according to client requirement. So here we got, because we are the SD consultant, we don't know about the finance module. We'll go for the copy option. Copy for demo company code. Then we edit the data, and during the transaction also we can edit the settings according to the client requirement. So why is this option given? To basically copy the settings from the standard or demo company code. Okay. So first we'll go for a copy, first option. You can either double click or click and choose button. This is a copy the screen. So yeah, so many things are there. So later I'll explain this part. Now I'll go for a copy option. This is a copy organizational object. Copy organizational object. Click on that one. From company code, you can take this 777. There are some model company, demo companies. 777 is there. And some more things, some more model companies. So 1710 is there. 1710. This is a 1710. 1000 also there. 1000, in this server, yeah, 1000 is not there. Some company 1000 there. Some server 1000 will not be there. So we can take this one. We can 777. This is SAP INC. You can take this one. 777. So anything you can take. Either you can 777 or you can 1710 or 1000. So you can go for that. So I take it 777 from 777. So 777 is a model company. It's a model company from SAP for copying purpose. They are given only for this copying purpose only. So you can copy from the standard company code, demo company code. Two company code. So the 4 character. So in TRG, I give only TRG. So I have 4 character, I give only TRG. First one we get was company. It's a company code. Company was having 6 characters. Company code is only 4 character. So I'm getting only 3 character TRG. And give the company code TRG. Enter. So it is asking whether you want to copy the GL account from the 777 to TRG company code.
Yes, yes.
So click yes here. Click yes here. And it's asking because we copied the 777. So later part we have assignment part. Later assignment part. So in that we'll assign the company code to controlling area. Later part we'll assign the company code to controlling area. Here when I copy the company code from 777, it's already assigned to another controlling area from the model company. So in this case, click yes here. Then you have to delete that consignment. Then you have to make the company code. So so when I practice, I'll explain this part again. Click no here. So do you want to copy the assignment controlling area? Don't click yes, click no here. So that the command code will be new one, not assigned to already existing controlling area. So click no here. And this original currency again, USD, the original currency US dollar, the 777 command code based on US dollar, whether you want to change to INR, Indian currency. So click yes here. Currency INR, our currency is INR. Now you enter. So again, now here keep on entering, you'll be copying all the settings. So keep on entering. Click yes here. It will take some time to copy the tables. Enter again. So basically what you do is copying the number and just create tables and all from the demo company. So again click yes. So keep on entering. You see the same screen is coming again, but keep on entry will be saved, copied. So copied. So common data, tables, and the number ranges copied from 0001 to TRG. So now come back. So next you get some data in the base that model company copied into the TRG company code. But because the company code was in US dollar, US location, some data are in the US data, you can change that. So click on edit company code data. You can want to edit the data from the copied company code. So edit company code data. You can find TRG. So log country is coming. So log country is coming. You can go for the SM tool. I think you know that SM tool is a delete log countries. You can create new session here. So SM tool is the log countries deletion. SM tool. Sorry. Okay, so you have to go for the search option. So that's no luck.
Now remove the user.
Yeah,
Remove the
yeah, correct. Yeah. So it's the lock and disorder. So I'll keep this screen open. So come to IMG. So go for edit option. Same thing. So go for edit communicate data. So you can go for position to find TRG company code. Position. TRG was my company code. So you're saying the name is SAP INC. Change this to your company code. So then change these details. This Mumbai. And this is country's IN. Because copied the 001 company is having the details from the base company, that's a source company. You change this to our details, save this one. So you copied the company code as well as edited the company code data. Okay, this is finished. Then go back, go back. So close this one. And here this and all not needed. For our SD practice, sales and distribution practice, we don't need all these things. We need only these things in the finance accounting. Okay, no need for these three other things. You can close finance accounting. So definition part under finance accounting, three things for SD: company, credit control area, and company code. Okay, so you can close finance accounting.
Shekhar, that pop-up has come up. For which that will come, that copy all the setup for credit control area or company code?
company code. Company code.
Yeah, copy option. Huh? Which one are telling? I am not getting.
No, you done when you done earlier, right?
Copy
showing that copy all the stuff. Right?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. This one. Under finance accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Here the first option, copy, delete, check company. This one. Are you telling about this one? This one?
Yeah. So from here, you need to go in the change mode, right?
No, here, not here.
No.
Come to this screen, then go for change mode. This one, edit company code data.
No, Ashish, sorry. Ashish, first double click on copy, delete, check. You will get a pop-up.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
complete that. And when you want to edit, give personalized name, go to edit and edit your company code.
correct. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Correct. Yeah.
For credit control, nothing will come. It is just a text.
Yeah, that's text to get manager. Setting also later. When it comes to credit
Yeah.
manager, I explain that each field I'll explain later.
Yeah.
So you can close finance accounting. So we need a controlling area also. So in the real time, it's done by the controlling consultant, FSU consultant.
For
But
costing.
yeah, for controlling, we need a costing purpose. We need a controlling area. For SD module also linked with the controlling module. So it's a mandatory thing. For SD practice, we need the controlling area also. In the real time, it's done by the controlling consultant. But here for our practice, we have to create by ourselves. So maintain controlling area. So basically, controlling area is you can see the documentation. If you want to know more details, go for documentation. What is controlling area? You can see all the explanation for controlling area. So when you practice, you can go through this documentation also to know about the controlling area. Basically, control the costing. Basically, controlling area needed for the costing purpose. So basically, for costing. Basically, costing is used. Costing. So like your material cost, your labor cost, calculate costing only. So for that only need that controlling area. So this has a link with the finance model. Sorry, SD model. So we have to create the controlling area. So maintain controlling area. So here no need to copy. So we'll copy only the company code and the plant also copy. So other things no need to copy. So that you can create the controlling area by clicking maintain controlling area. So here under controlling section, maintain controlling area. Here also maintain controlling area. No need to copy. Directly maintain controlling area. You will get a window like this one. Click enter. Press enter. So click new entries. Again new entries for the controlling area. You control area code. So this code should be named same as company code. You get the option here. Control area equal to company code. There are different scenarios are that we are not bothering about. We need a simple configuration only. So controlling area should be the same as company code. So I gave company code TRG. Same thing should be maintained here also. Don't give any other name. Should give the company code same thing as controlling area. And some name for the controlling area like this. You need some name for the controlling. Yeah.
I think if you click on CO area equal to company code, all the data will default.
Yeah, that you
give the
can.
company code. Yeah.
Yeah, that can be done. Other you can go for each. You can go for
Yes,
like this
yes.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go for this one. Controlling area equals company code. Take the option controlling area same as company code. So in the finance business scenario, so they can look for cross company code. One more concept, cross company code, cost accounting. But we are not bothering about it. We are taking only this option. This is a simple process. This is another finance scenario. We are not taking that into for our practice session. We're taking same as company code option. Okay, this is some setting inside. We have changed the setting for this option. That's done by the finance controlling consultant during the implementation. If needed, according to client requirement, they can go for this option or that option. But for us, we'll take first option only. Controlling area same as company code. It is basically it is a simple process involved in the SD process, SD functionality. And this currency type take here. Take 10. 10 is actually company code currency. So when you're taking this cross company, if you're taking as the same company code, you'll get a currency type as company code currency. This is again the part of the finance accounting concept. So they're using the different currency type. For example, if you take changes to some other thing, change cross company code cost accounting, then you can see different currency type here. You get different currency type. These are the currency type for the cross company code cost accounting. Okay, so these are things just for finance accounting is maintained. So for our purpose, it is the same company code and check the currency type 10. 10 is company code currency. So the currency can be maintained at company code level or controlling area level. There are different options in the finance model. For our practice, we need only company code currency. So take that one. So once you take that, automatically this setting will be taken and populated. You will get populated. Currency is populated and chart of account. Chart of account nothing but a list of GL accounts. As I told earlier, we got general ledger accounts. We got general ledger accounts. So chart of account, COA means chart of accounts. COA means chart of accounts. So all the finance related GL accounts will be stored in chart of accounts. The part is basically accounting concept. Chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. So all your GL accounts are stored in the chart of accounts. So each chart will have one name. So for our in my company, I got the chart of accounts CANA. Chart of accounts or some actually it's done by some other finance consultant. So CANA is done here. CANA is for It's a list of GL accounts. Basically, it's a list of GL accounts. You can see the list of GL chart of accounts here. These are different chart of accounts. Standard system, as gateway students, other students. It's all contains GL accounts. It contains the list of general ledger accounts. General ledger account means when the accounting happens, accounting transaction happens, basically the journal entry, you can call it journal entry or JE, it will contain the posting to chart of GL accounts. So GL accounts are maintained in the chart of accounts. Okay, so finance concept, save this one. Press enter again. Enter again. So we made a controlling area. So come back now, can close this one, come back. So my coming to TRG. If you want to know the details again, double click on this one. You'll get the TRG, the details again. So come back. So one more time, save this one. Enter again. So we made a controlling area. So we have made company code, credit control area, and next one is controlling area. Okay. So we can close this one. Next one is logistics general. He will make the plant. The factory or plant will be made from the logistics general. So here plant. So we have to create a plant. Copy the company. So here also we need to copy. We'll copy the plant because again some settings are related to the plant creation. So that also can be copied from the demo company because we are not from material management module or some of the details we don't know. As a SD concept, some of the basic settings we don't know. So we'll copy the plant also from the demo plant. So first define plant, then copy plant. So during this copying and all, don't change the order. If you take company code copying, when you come here, first copy, then edit. First copy, then edit. Same thing in the plant creation, first we define plant, then copy. So don't change the order, it will give us an error message later. So when I copy company code, first copy, then edit. We'll make the plant, first define plant, then copy the plant. Don't change the order, it will create the error messages later during the process. So under logistics general, we create a plan, define plan. First is a define plan. So click here. Go for new entries again. Click on new entries. So given plan name, code, again some 4-character code. So I'm giving TRGP, and some name for the plant like this. Okay, then the factory. So here we are this address field. So when I go for save option, it will ask for the address. That in the address it will be populated here. It will come automatically from the address. And here the county code, city code. So not country, it's a county. Not country, it's a county. So it's only for European and US countries. For US and European countries, we are having the county code, city code. So their tax will be determined based on the county code and city code. For India localization, no need. Don't enter anything in the county code, city code. For India localization, only FATI calendar is mandatory. So FATI calendar maintain, take IN. IN is Indian calendar. Basically, this calendar will contain the holiday list. It will contain all the holiday list for the Indian location. So IN India. So now you enter. Now when you click save button, ask for address. When you click save button, ask for address. Otherwise, you can go for address from here also. So click save button, ask for address. So give the title, some title like company, a name. So like this can some name like plan for TNC for TRG, plan for TRG. So not all these are mandatory here. So this you can mention. These are mandatory. Some postal code, city is Mumbai city. My plan is Mumbai. Country region again IN India. So region there are set of region from SAP standard setup. For India, these are regions created. So Mumbai is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is 13. That is Maharashtra. If you go Bangalore, Kannada is 10. Like that, we get all the regional codes. So region will take Mumbai, Maharashtra. That is 13. Enter. So again, save this one. So we made a plant like this. This is a plant. This is my plant. And this is address details and vertical side. You want to see the address again, or you want to edit the address, go for this address. Again, edit the address details. Okay, so we made a plant. So come back now. Close this one. Next, let's copy that also because some settings are related to the plant management. Because we don't everything in the plant, the plant settings, we will copy the plant also. So go for copy Delhi check plant. Go for copy Delhi check plant, first option. The same will come, like the same screen will come. Copy again, copy organizational object. From plant, take one of the demo plant. So same triple one, some system triple one will not be there. So you can go for, so sometimes it's not show here, but you can still copy that. I'll try that one. My plant was TRGP. What I made the earlier step, same should be given here. TRGP was my plant. I am copying that. So click yes here, because already the plant is there. This message is coming. Click yes here. So enter. So here also keep on entering. Click yes. So copy the settings like we are in the MRP details now, copied here. So enter again. So only plant and company code will copy. No need to copy others. Only company code and plant will copy from the demo company, demo database. So copied. So error, you can ignore the errors. No need, no bothers about that one. So you copy the plant from the model plant. So this is over. So we are different revision location also. So why the SAP given the optional location? So your factory can, because of space constraint, you can locate, you can get the plant. Your factory in different location also in the same city. It can be different locations according, because of the space availability. The same factory are getting different locations. So the different location of the plant is a mandatory one. So even if you have only one location also, it's a mandatory one. Otherwise later will be the problem. So different location. So again, new entries, click new entries. The plant we could create was TRGP. You can search from here also, that is directly type TRGP. So you can go for here, otherwise you can directly type also. This was a plant we created, TRGP. So location Mumbai. So you can different location like Mumbai 1, Mumbai 2, like whatever location you need, you can create. Same plant can be created in different locations. The name of the plant also. So I give plan for something like that. You can give. So location that you can type in TRGP also. TRGP is a plant code. Press enter. When you press enter, last word address. Press enter, last word address of the location. Here are multiple locations. Each location is defined one by one. So details. So it's already there, because once you enter details, if you press backspace in that field, it will show all the previous entries. So you need to type again and again. You can go for backspace and take the existing details. So again, this 13 Maharashtra, enter. So I made a location for Mumbai location. Like that, if one more location one, again plant location and again we'll get the address. So save this one. We have only one location, Mumbai location. We have only one location. So I create only one location. You want multiple location, again with the plant, another location and the name and the address. So this is over.
But Shekhar, generally the plant will be in one location, right?
No, in some scenarios, actually SAP is giving all the possible scenarios globally. So because of the space availability, so the same city, the factory can be different location also. So one location nearby area in the same city, it can be different nearby area with the same name. It can be different area. So because of space availability or because of any operational availability detail, so they can the same plant factory they can made in different place also.
Under one registration.
Under one registration, yeah. So okay, so maybe in the same city, different area, next road or nearby building that comes from another area. So that will define the location of the plant. So actually SAP is having all the possible scenarios. Okay, so same name, we can maintain different places also. According to government, updating the government rule, we can define the same factory under different locations. Because of space availability. So one building is there on a factory, so they don't have enough space. So they can make the same factory in another location, maybe the next building. So next building comes up, next street means you can make the location for their plant. So next is division. So division is needed for the product distribution. For example, division can be like product-based divisions. For electronics item, you have a separate division. Electrical item for selling the electrical items, you have one division. For electronics item, you have one more division. So basically, it's part of the distribution chain for division from the suppliers factory. It can be sent through different customers through different divisions. This is only 2-character code. No need to copy, only the 2-character code defined. So I give TR. The name is code is TR, only 2-character. So name also will give TR. So I made a division called TR. So made a division. So no need to copy. So only plant and common code will copy. Other things will not copy. No need to copy. So we can close this one. This part we can close. Next one is sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. So different sales organization, distribution channels, office and groups. Already saw that in the demo. This one. This structure are going to be company code will link with the sales organization, distribution channel, division, and that's called sales area. And link the sales office and sales group with the sales area. So go for the sales organization. So no need to copy, only define, no need to copy. Define sales organization. Click new entries. So this is the sales organization screen. So I give the name is TRSS. My name is my sales organization name is TRGS. So basically sales organization is required for the sales activities. So each company code will have sales organization. That will be basically group of people. They will be handling the different type of products. So maybe you can have more than one sales organization for your company code. So they can be group of people monitoring different type of products at different location of selling. So that's the purpose of the sales organization. Basically to monitor the sales transaction for the company code at the company code level. So give us a name also. And TRG. Currency is mandatory. Currency. And these details, other details are not required now. Other details not required now. So this was the third parties. When we do the third party sale, we use this data here. So now we are no need for now. When we use the third party sale, we use this section here. This also some text here. So that can be copied in the documents. So for the product, this is enough. The code and the currency enough. When you press save last address, when you press save last for the address of the sales organization. So again, company and give the name as sales organization. Or you can just type TRGSS. GR is the sales organization name, TRGS. So other details. These are only mandatory. No need for other details. These are mandatory. Country and this tag in. Now enter. We made a sales organization. You want to see the address again? This address. You can edit. You want to edit the address? You can edit the address here. This is done. So no need to copy. So next is distribution channel. So again, this is like part of the distribution chain, like retail or franchises. They are distribution channels. Click here. So here also define. This also 2-character. So click new entries. This also give TR. Name also TR. Save this. Similar distribution channel. TR for sales organization TRSS. TRGS. Okay. So distribution channel. No need to copy. So next is sales office. So sales office part of the sales organization. So sales office comes under sales organization. So under sales office, if you are having some 50 people under sales organization, so again they can divide the sales organization to different groups, different sales offices. It can be location wise for each city. in the city can have different locations. For each location, maintain a sales office. Again, to control the sales activities. So sales officer cannot control all the activities because so much activity will be there. Sales transaction will be there. So they will divide the organization into different sales offices. So under sales office, we have different sales office. So they will be monitoring particular type of material or particular location of the sales. They will maintain sales office to monitor the sales transaction location wise. So again, maintain sales office. So new entries. Again, some code for this. Same thing again, TRGS. This also TRGS. Enter. So give the address of the sales office. So name is TRGS. So again, the details. Mumbai. So again, this 13. Say this one. Simeda. Sales office. So again, sales office can be divided into sales group. So again, to divide the sales office, we can divide to sales group. Again, 2 or 3 people will be there under sales group. So they will be part of sales office. So again, to satisfy the sales demands, or because sales office cannot control everything, again they will divide the sales group. So for example, in a city, you have a sales office, and different location sales office can have, and the city can have sales group. So they'll report sales office. Sales group will report sales office. Sales office will report to sales organization. Okay. So maintain sales group. So new this again. So name. So I'm giving TRG. I'm the same TRG, and the name also TRG. Save this one. So we made a sales group. So this is done. So that completes the sales and distribution. You can close this one. So next one is material management. Service we don't need. Service material management. So under material management, we get the store location. So again, so the real time will done by the MM consultant. For our practice, without store location, we can't make any sales activities. We can't order or make any item without store location. So this is a mandatory one. Comes from material management. Maintain store location. So this is not needed. Only we need a store location. Each plant should have the store locations. So basically, materials will be kept in the store location under the plant, under the factory. So maintain store location. So give your plant, what we get here. Our plant was TRGP. Our plant was GRGP. Enter. So because we copied the plant from the triple server, it's already in the standard storage locations. So already we copied the plant from the triple server company plant. So it is already having the details. So you can keep this and continue with that. Otherwise, you can delete and create your own storage location. These are standard storage locations. If you want to delete, you delete and create new one. Otherwise, you can maintain the same store locations. But the thing is, this location should have the address, store location address. It should have the store location address. It's not having that. So it's better to remove and make a new store location. So to remove that, I can click on the select all. It's a delete button. Delete. You make a new store location. We'll delete this all the old ones and make a new store. Save this one. Then go for new entries. Now go for new entries. Nothing is there in the plan now. This is a plan. There's no store location. Go for new entries. So look at some code. For example, 001, something can maintain. So here we give the description. For example, raw materials. So we can give the raw material store location. For SD, we don't need actually. It's for purchase, we need a store location, the raw materials. So another one for FG item. So 002 for FG item. So it can be metal type, like raw material finished good. Or else different type of metal can be different location. For example, mechanical light will be in 002, electrical light in 003. So according to the client requirement, you make your own store location according to the client requirement. So this will be finished good. So 002 will be finished goods. Finished goods. This valid, you can validate. So no need, you can just leave this one. Now you enter. So we have 2 store locations, but still not completed. You have to give the address for the store locations. So again, the concept here. So you can have a factory, but store locations can be different locations. For the same factory, again, because of space availability, so store location can be different location also. For example, if you take the raw material, to give the address, select the button which you want with address, select the button and double click on address of store location. Select the button and double click on address of store locations. Now go for new entries again. Give an ID like 0102, give some ID. Can have multiple addresses. For same this store location also I can have multiple addresses. First 01, enter, last address of the store location. So I give here again name. So I'm giving TRGP 0001. So details. This 13. So I made a store location for 0001. So if you don't meet this location, so this location for store location, later you'll get the error. When you go for the transfer, you'll get the error message. Your location not maintained. So we can done with 0001. For 0002 also we do the same thing. Now the second button, again double click. So again new entries. So another ID, any ID, in the same ID, another ID, any ID. So now the details again, address details. So again, TRGP 0002. So other details same. You can different address. When you practice, you can take different addresses. I'm doing the same thing. You can check with different addresses also. Check this one. So we made it 2 store locations for material management. Under material management, we made 2 store locations. Okay, this is done. So this not data. It's only for material management purchasing model. We don't need this one. So next one, logistics execution, and we can make a shipping point under logistics execution. So here we make the shipping point. So this is not warehouse. We are not taking for a training without our warehouse management. We are going to do that. So under logistics execution, define shipping point. Nothing else in it. Only shipping point should be created here. Actually for SD, we got to make this also loading point, transport and planning point also. First, define shipping point. So shipping point is a place in the factory. Once your FG is produced in the factory, the final place in the factory before transportation is called shipping point. So from the factory, shipping point will be transported to different locations through railway station or bus station or a truck or anything. Will be transported from the shipping point. So shipping point is the end point for the from the factory side. That's the end point for the transportation. So define shipping point. So it will be used during the delivery document. So shipping point will be used during the delivery processing. So define shipping point. New entries. So here also all the things are not needed. So shipping point name is TRGH. My shipping point in TRGH. Some name also for that, like TRGP or TRGP. Okay, the factory calendar is mandatory one. Put again as the Indian calendar. So N is India. So it is not needed. Later when for transportation we can fill this details. Nothing mandatory. Enter. Then you save last address. So give the title. So name again TRGH. Shipping address. Shipping point. And our details again. The region. Save this one. Enter. It will be saved. So you made a shipping point. So can say one more time. This is completed. No need to copy. No need for copy the shipping point. Made a loading point also. So under shipping point will be a loading point. So loading point can be from it will be loaded to the transportations to the delivery. So loading is a place after shipping point with a loading point. From it is loaded to the different locations, different areas of delivery. So maintain loading point. Located under the shipping point. Located under shipping point. That is TRGH. My shipping point TRGH. Under the shipping point will be created. The shipping and receiving point will be created. Loading point will be created. So go for new entries. Some loading point code. So I'm giving TRG1. So only 2 characters. So I put some 0. Something I'll maintain loading point 01. So you can mention a responsible person like manager or some name of the person who is responsible for the this loading point. And description also. Some description. Save this one. So this will be used to the delivery process. During the delivery process, this loading shipping point, this loading point will be used. Okay, so one more thing is transportation planning point. The last thing in the definition is transportation planning point. So here, transportation planning point. So go for new entries. So again, give some name. So I'm giving TRGT. So TRGT, transportation planning point. Some description like transportation point for TRG. So only this character. So it's okay. So I'll give GR. Company code is, you can link the company code here. The company code was TRG. Our company code was TRG. First we get a company code, it was TRG. So it's a TRG. So when you say loss address, so give the address. So that was TRGT. So that's the same. Save this one. Okay, this completes the definition part. This completes the definition part for the SD module configuration. So we're done. Finance accounting, controlling here and finally execution, logic execution. Okay, so we're able to follow this part. Are you able to follow, everybody? Are you able to follow these steps? So everybody able to follow?
Yeah.
Okay, any question in this section?
No.
No.
Not at from my end.
Okay, so all are okay with this process. Are you able to follow? If any question, please give that so that any suggestion, whether I was fast or anything, can suggest so that I can modify my this method also. Are you able to follow, everybody?
Yes.
Hmm? Okay, so have you worked on this this structure earlier and you are doing the practice or doing the work? Gone through this?
Long back.
Okay.
Long back.
Okay. So all of us like it's a refreshing one, no? So,
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody have to follow. Do you want me to show one more time? Are you able to follow everybody?
I think we can do from our end. If something we miss, we can
Okay.
get back to you.
Okay. So we are finished definition part. So do you want to practice now with what are taken now till this you want to practice?
Yes.
How you want to go? Whether you want to go to practice within the session or after the session, whatever you suggest.
Okay. So because a lot of some of you didn't get a server link, so some of them can't practice now. Correct? No, some of them can't because they don't have the server access. They can't practice this now. So what I can do is I finish the assignment part also.
Okay.
Then tomorrow we can you can do the practice in the class 10 tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I can guide you whenever everyone can get your own structure. So I will allow you to practice tomorrow when the class starts. We can do the practice session first. You can do the practice because you have to get to know the system first. Because without that, if you are going further, it will not be helpful for you. So I finished the assignment part today. Now I finish the assignment part also. That tomorrow you can go for your practice sessions. The class only can practice. So any error issues that we can check that during the practice session. And if you want one more, if you want to adults, we want one more time show. So tomorrow morning also show one more time. Then you can do the practice session. Okay. So what I'll do, I will finish the assignment part also now. So tomorrow together you can practice with the definition assignment together you can practice. Is it fine, everybody?
Yeah, it's fine with me.
Okay. So what are others?
Sekhar, what are you planning? Like how will you distribute the session? How much time for practice and how much time for theoretical session? Because I think we all are experienced people and we all can do practice separately also. So if you feel that these 3 hours are too much and you can take out some time for practice, giving time for practice, that's fine. But if it will delay the theoretical part, then suggest that way so that we can practice at our own pace and our own time.
It's better to practice the class session itself because we can clear the doubts then and
That's
there.
fine. That's fine, but
Yeah.
it should not impact the theoretical sessions.
Yeah,
That's
it's
my
not.
only
It's not.
point.
It's not about it. I have given the schedule according to the practice session taken into consideration only. So after every session, in each session, I'll first do the theory part. Through the practice part, you can practice the same thing in the practice session. So same in the class itself, we can do the practice also.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, so now I'll do the assignment part also. Tomorrow, together you can practice with the structure. Okay, so we'll finish the assignment part also. Because now lot of you did, many of you not getting the link, others can't practice. So better to do assignment. Tomorrow we can do the practice together. So next part is assignment. So the illustration next part is assignment part. So go for assignment. So what are made here? Like we made a company code and controlling area made and plan we made. So now we are going to leave. We created here and there somewhere we created a plant, somewhere get a location. So now we are make the link between the units we have created. We are going to make the link between the units we created. So in assignment, we're going to make the link. So first is assignment finance accounting. So here assign company go to company, assign company go to company. So come here, assign company go to company. So here go for position to find the company code. Our company code was TRG. Enter. So assign company. First we made a company that here link here TRG 001. My company was TRG 001. This is one company and save this one. So whoever did not couldn't follow the steps taken the definition part, if you I can go through that one more time tomorrow also. If we did the definition part again, we can go through that one more time tomorrow if you are not comfortable. So you can tell me tomorrow whether you want to straight away start the practice or one more time you want to see the structure. Then you can do the practice. So next one is credit control area. Company code to credit control area. So go for company code again. That was TRG. The controlling area was TRGC. Our controlling area was credit control area was TRGC. So TRGC was controlling area, credit control area, TRGC, and save this one. Say enter. So this is done. So we didn't get these things. No need for this one. Next is controlling. So go for controlling. So assign company go to controlling area. Assign company go to controlling area. So enter. So again here, find the controlling area position, find the controlling area that is TRG. Enter. Select the button and double click on assignment of company code. To assign the controlling area to company code, select the controlling area button and double click on assignment of company codes. Go for new entries. Give the company code. Our company code also TRG only. Already we know it's TRG only. So I directly type the TRG. Enter. So I will go for list from here. So say this one. Made a assign the controlling area to company code. That is done. So that is done. Come back, close this one. Next is under logistics general, we are assign the plan to the company code. Next step is logistics general. Assign plan to company code. Assign plan to company code. Here. New entries. Second company code TRG. My plan was TRGP. Enter. So I get the error message. Plan already assigned to company code 007. Because we copied the plan from the 007 company code plant, it was already assigned to the company code 007. My plan, because copied the plan from 007, my plan was assigned to 007. So one plan can be assigned to company code at a time only once. So one company plan can be assigned to only one company code. But my company's plan is already assigned to 007. So I cannot assign my TRG company to my TRG plant code. So what you have to, I have to delete this assignment from 007, then you get assigned to my own company plant and company code. So what you have to cancel this one. Because you copied from the plant 007, that plant is already assigned to 001 company code, controlling a company code. So I cannot assign the same plant to different company codes. So I have to delete the entry, then you have to do the assignment. So here, go for position with the plant TRGP. You can see already assigned to 001. So already assigned to 001. Select the button, go over delete option, delete that, enter, save this one. So now go for new entries. After saying go for new entries, now is the company code, that is TRG. Plant is GRGP. My plant was GRGP. Enter. And save this one. So we assign plant to the company code. Okay, this is done. We assign plant to the company code. So next is, this is not data. We are not kind of business area. You can ignore this one. Next is sales and distribution. So under sales and distribution, you link all the sales units. So go for sales and distribution. First is the sales organization company code, then distribution channel, division, then sales area, sales office, sales group. Everything should be linked now. First go for sales organization to company code. So go for your sales organization, click on position, go for your sales organization, TRGS. My plan, so sales organization was TRGS. Company code was TRG. My company code is TRG. So you can type, if you don't remember, you can go for search option. There you can find the company code. So going for search option, you can type here also. You can type the find option also, or you can scroll down and find the company code. Like this. So TRG was my company code. Enter, save this one. We are in sales also to company code. To come back now. Sorry. So next is distribution channel sales organization. Next step is assigning the distribution channel to sales organization. So again come here. So new entries again. TRGS, sales organization for TRGS. Distribution channel was TR. Our distribution channel was TR. Allocated in the definition part. Save this one. So this is done. So next is division to sales organization. So again new entries. This was TRGS, sales organization. Sorry. TRGS, sales organization, and the division was again TR. And then say this. I have to close and open. So say this one. So assign division to sales organization. So this is over. So next is sales area. Set up these three things we are going to make a sales area. Distribution channel, sales organization, distribution channel division. Together is called sales area. Sales organization, distribution channel, division together is called sales area. So set up sales area. New entries. Sales organization TRGS. Distribution channel was TR. Division also format was TR only. So this is a sales area. So sales area. So this is very important step during the order processing. During the order processing, we are not having this sales area. We cannot make any sales order. So say this one. This is done. So next step is sales office to sales area. So sales area should be linked with the sales office. So again, new entries. So sales office was TRGS. Distribution channel was TR. Division was TR. And sales office was TRGS. My sales office was TRGS. You can go from, if you don't remember, go for search option, find that. TRGS, this one. See, enter and save this one. Similar and assignment of sales office to sales area. So come back again. Go for sales group to sales office. So link sales group to, so sales group will report to sales group people will report to sales office. So again, new entries. Sales office was TRGS and the sales group was TRG. Sales group was TRG. Enter, say this one. So say this one. This is done. The next one is you got to link this sales organization distribution channel to plant. So come here again. So go for new entries again. Sales organization was again TRGS. This was the distribution channel was TR and plant was TRGP. Plant was TRGP. So say this one. So this part is over. So this part is over. So next one is, so this is not needed. The business area has been not needed. So this is also not needed. Middleman is also not needed. Not needed. Here next one is logistics execution. Logistics execution. Here, assign shipping point to plant. Assign shipping point to plant. Say shipping point to plant. So click here. So it will be looking like this one. Find your plant first. Find your plant. Go for find option. Is the plant that is TRGP. Plant was TRGP. Enter. This was the plant. Select this plant. And TRGP is because you copied already as in 777. So additionally link to your shipping point also. Put the cursor on the TRGP plant. Put the cursor on that. Click on assign. Click on assign. So go for TRGP. Find TRGP. TRGH. Our shipping point TRGH. This is a TRGH. Shipping point for TRGP. So select that one and save this one. So my shipping point linked to my plant. My piece of plant assigned to shipping point. So the first one is because we copied the plant, it is already there. So save this one. So this is done. So this is the enterprise structure we have made. So finish all the things. First we did a definition, then we linked the assignment to each unit. We got assigned the different units. Okay, so this is the structure.
Shekhar, we also need a purchasing org, right?
But
yeah, PO as a PO creation, right?
No. For as far as sales concerned, we are currently only sales activities. So later part, when if you want the third party sales, that will include the middle management because so how we make the stock is now through the direct GR. So through the Migo, we'll make the stock. So we are not going to the purchasing. We are going to do only the sales. For the store, for the stock, we'll make the Migo transfer without the purchase transaction.
Okay.
So relatively linked to the middle management, but here we are using without any middle management functionality. Maybe during the return management, I may create these units again. Now not required. When we do the return management, we'll use this option here. So that will use that. Now we are not using. Later we'll use that functionality. So this comes to the interface structure. If you want, now we have made a structure. We want the whole structure in a single screen. To see that, go for definition. Go for finance accounting to see the structure again. What you have made structure in a single page, you can get everything. So this option, edit company, delete check company code. Here, first option, edit company code. Same screen will come. Go for structure. Click on navigation. Enter. So go find your plant. Go find your company code. Go find option. So my company was TRG. Enter. This was my company code, TRG. This is my company code. Go for details. You can double click or go for details. So this is structure you have made. This is my company. This is my company. Having the company code inside that one, company code. This is my controlling area. And this is a company code under controlling area. This is a credit control area. And a company code. This is my plant. So this is my location. So because we copied this already in some other location. So our location, Mumbai was our location. And so store location, raw material finished good, link to company code. So again, distribution chain. So our distribution chain was this one. Where is that? This one. This is a TRGR, TRGSTR. This is my plant. Again, sales area. This is my sales office. So again, we have sales under sales office, we get a sales group. So like that, we can see the whole structure in a single window. So shipping point again. This is my shipping point. So again, we get the expansion for that. Loading point. So under shipping point, we get loading point. So this structure we can see. This is a T code. For this T code is EC01. EC01. You can, instead of coming here, you can type EC01 and get the same screen. So instead of, you can take out EC01 also. So already you know that, just a refresh. If you type EC01, it comes to the same screen. So EC01. So that you can follow from here also. Okay, this completes the entry structure. So any question that anybody were not able to follow, any difficulty in understanding, anybody is there like here? So everybody working with the training, are you able to follow everything? Do you need any change in the training method? Any idea, any feedback or any suggestion?
As far as good.
Okay.
To now, I don't have any. At least for me, there is no
Okay.
doubt.
So what are others? Are you able to follow everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So anybody have any
Yes.
issues, please. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So anybody have issue, please let me know now so that we can work together in be able to follow. Okay. So we'll close now. We'll meet again on tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. So thank you everybody for going through the session. Thank you everybody. We'll meet again tomorrow morning.